this video, I will show you how to transfer Bitcoin from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet. So first of all, open up your Coinbase app and then from here, click on transfer at the bottom right. From here, go ahead and click on send crypto. And right now we need to fill in the wallet address from Phantom Wallet. So let's open our Phantom Wallet app to obtain this wallet address. And from your Phantom Wallet, go ahead and select Bitcoin or click on receive. And I'm just going to click on receive. And now I'm going to click on Bitcoin and you can either select Taproot or native SegWit. I always use Taproot, so I'm going to click on this copy to clipper thing in here. And now I'm going to return to Coinbase to paste this in. Once you have pasted in the wallet address, go ahead and click on this option in here. Now select Bitcoin. And here you need to select the Bitcoin network as well, because if you select a different network, then your crypto might get lost in the transfer. So for Bitcoin transfers, I would always recommend to use the Bitcoin network. So let's go ahead and click on this. And because I'm in the EU, I need to fill in this section as well. So if you are in the EU too, go ahead and click on self-custody wallet. If you're sending to yourself, click this box and otherwise fill in your recipient's full name and the country of residence. And after you need to click on continue down below. Enter the amount that you want to transfer and you need to transfer a minimum of 0.0001 BTC. So with 8 euros or something like $9, you will be above that. So after that, you can just go and click on preview. And in this screen, you can see all of your transaction details. So check if your wallet address is all right and matching with the one on Phantom Wallet. Check if the network is on Bitcoin. And you can also see the send time of this transfer. And down below, you can see the total price. And if everything is all set, go ahead and click on send now. Now you will see a confirmation of your transfer. So now you can just go ahead and click on done. And as you can see, your transfer is right now pending. And we can go to our Phantom Wallet to see if it's already there. So in my transaction tab, I can see that the BTC transaction is still pending. So this can take a couple of minutes, maybe a couple of hours in order to be on your account. But that is it for the video. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.